Heading to the train station. It is 6:20 in the morning, and hopefully we have no issues.
No running for us this morning.
Trained, seasoned professionals.
We actually have time to eat breakfast. What is that?
After almost missing our train in Segovia, we were not going to take that chance again.
Did you expect that to be a slope?
No, I thought it was stairs.
I about busted my butt.
One of the best parts about waking up this early was getting to see the sunrise. Throughout the trip, the train would show you how quick it was going. We got up to 298 kilometers per hour, which is roughly 185 miles per hour.
We have about an hour connection wait. On the bright side, we have a coffee cafeteria. Just kidding.
We took a speed train from Madrid to Granada, so the entire ride was only about 4 hours, including the connection.
Made it to Granada. And that's it.
Yeah, we have no Wi-Fi, and we're about to try to find where we need to go. We're just taking a chance. She's leading the way like a boss. We got this.
After finally finding our Airbnb, we got settled in real quick and immediately headed back out. We had a ton of things to do. First of which was seeing the cathedral. While we didn't go inside, we did read that this cathedral is the 4th largest cathedral in the world, and the first stone of it was actually laid in 1523. Our next stop was perhaps one of our favorites. It's the Alcaiceria. The Alcaiceria was the original Moorish silk market, and the videos just don't do it justice. This place was beautiful. And it is free to visit. I wish we could have spent all day here, but we only had one full day in Granada, so we had to move quick, especially if we were going to make it to the Alhambra before it closed.
Maybe? You want me to try it? Yeah. You take it. Here we go.
Are you serious? I didn't even back all the way up. That's bullcrap.